Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I am continuing a demonstration of a new product called the DC-106N-RM4. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the device to EasyTime software using a virtual COM port. And if you haven't seen the last video, please go watch that first, because in that video I showed you how to find the device in IP setup and control it using the web page. And I'm going to be referencing some of that in this video. So what you're going to do is go over to Network Setup, and I would recommend changing the addressing mode from DHCP to static. And what you can do is copy the current values over to the static settings, and that just means that the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS server that is on this device already will not change, and that's very useful for what I'm about to show you. So make sure it's set to static, copy over the settings, and then hit submit. And then go back to the network setup page. I recommend leaving this page open for the next little bit. So once you have it saved as static, what you're going to do is open up the NetBurner Virtual COM Port. You're going to click Add. Make sure that you have Client Connections selected. For the connection name, I would recommend just naming it the same thing as the device name. I'm going to do that. For the COM port, EasyTime only likes single-digit COM ports. So choose any number COM 1 through 9. I'm just going to choose 8. And when you change the COM number, it'll get rid of the connection name, so I just pasted that back in. Make sure that you have Create as Virtual Port selected. For the remote host name / port, the remote host name is going to be the same as the device IP address. And then for the port, it's going to be the same as the listening network port. Like I said, that is normally defaulted to 23. So when you have the IP address and port in, click Add, and then click Apply. So once you have that set up in NetBurner, what you're going to do is open up EasyTime, and it's sending me errors because it's not connected to the COM port. So I'm going to change the COM port to 8 quickly and hit close. I'm actually going to cycle the power on this device real quick, because in the last video I told you that it takes 1 minute to update, and I want to show that to you in this video as well. So this is set for COM port 8. Hit close, and then from here you can load a schedule in. I have a schedule that rings 1 bell every minute for 3 seconds, and it's going to open all the relays on the device. So all 4 relays are going to go from open to closed. And the way that the update works with EasyTime is that EasyTime will send out data every 10 seconds. So on the minute, and then 10 seconds, 20 seconds, it'll send out data. So because this takes 1 minute to update, it will receive the first 10-second pulse from EasyTime after it reaches 12:01. And there we go. So it connected, it updated from EasyTime, the relays turned on, and it is now showing the correct time. So one other thing to mention is that if you close EasyTime and then open it again, When it opens, it will send a 3-second relay pulse. So make sure that you have all of your devices connected after EasyTime is already open. And you can also click Send Now for a bell. And I believe that is it for that. So if you have any questions about how we can customize this or any of our other products for your specific needs, please contact us using the link in the description. Again, this has been Liz with DC Digital demonstrating EasyTime and Virtual COM Port setup on our new product called the DC-RM10N4. Thank you.